You said what now?
Now says, you're on Facebook here, Carl. I said,
Well, you knew that.
I called dang Gary. Yeah, I knew it.
I told you I wasn't going to put it on my Facebook.
Yeah.
I'm not that crazy, but I'll put it on yours.
Yours, yeah.
See, it's all about you, so recording these special moments here on Saturday for the future. I love to watch you eat and drink coffee, and you just have a good time, right?
Right. Right.
The granddaughter's going to be having a good time here soon.
Who? Celeste?
Celeste, yeah.
Where's she going?
Costa Rica.
Oh, she is?
Today,
And
yeah.
Yo-Yo? And
Yoga.
yoga? When's she coming
A
home?
yoga retreat. Leaving. She's in the Minneapolis airport right now.
Oh, is she?
Yeah. She's coming home in a week.
Okay, so we're going to have everybody over on our side next Saturday.
I don't know if I'm available.
Why? Why?
It's kind of short notice, isn't it, to get everybody over? What's that about?
That's good this time of year. But it's not about anything. I still got my tree and everything up.
Got your
And
Christmas
once
tree
you're
up?
on this way, sure.
When are you going to take that down?
After you guys all come.
We're going to have presents to open and stuff?
I don't know about that. But that's next Saturday about anywhere from 4:30.
All right. I think I'm available.
Yeah.
I'll check my schedule and make sure I clear it all off.
So what are you
4:30.
doing Tuesday?
I have no idea.
Well, I've been bugging Uncle Freddie back and forth.
Oh, for his
He's
birthday.
Yeah, so I told him I'm picking him up. I said, we're picking you up. No women, just guys, and we're going to Sinbad.
What time?
Don't pick him up about 11.
In the morning? Oh, Tuesday.
Yeah.
How? I can't. I have to work.
Well,
Somebody
I
in
know
this family is still working.
I
Me.
know it.
Me. So you guys go.
Well, that's why I figured Carl and I will. I asked Carl, if he can, I'm going to do it myself.